Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Cardano. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Cardano was once again reached resistance of a down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that once again, the price line is getting rejected by the resistance of this channel. By the way, it was entered the channel here in the month of Feb 2024 when we had this bounce. And when we got stable ejections here, then we had another bounce here, rejections here, another bounce here, rejection here. And now the price end is once again getting rejected by the resistance of the channel. This time when the price end was read the resistance, at the same time you can see that the stochastic was also entered the overbought zone as well. And now it is turning bearish. You can see that we have received the bear cross, like this blue line has crossed down the orange line. And this time, if the price line will be moved down at the support of the channel to test its support, then it can also break down this support, a quite long-term support of 2.39 cents as well, and then it can test the support of the channel. However, it is also possible that the price line may found another uptrend line support here. I'm expecting that it can find another support here because so far we have only two touch points here. Therefore, we cannot confirm that this support will work this time if the pricing will be dropped down here. If we will have another touch point, almost a third touch point, then this support can be confirmed. And in that situation, this will be another formation of a symmetrical triangle. The same resistance of the channel will be working as a resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel. And after that, the price also broke out this big and long-term descending triangle as well. And now for the past several months, you can see that the price line is also struggling to break out this red line. That is a very long-term resistance of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Cardano that I shared a few days ago on 2nd of September 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 14% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Cardano that I shared on 2nd of September 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup, a Gartley pattern. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I click this play button, then you can see that the price line moved slightly down here. We had extra spike here and here, but did not break down this potential reversal zone, and they covered back. And after hitting the sell target zone here, the price line is again dropped down in the same potential reversal zone. And this was almost 14% pump. And it is also possible that from the same potential reversal zone, the price line may start another reversal to the upside. By the way, if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Cardano, and first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price line is moving inside this channel. And now recently, you can see that the price line is once again rejected by the resistance of this channel. At the same time, you can see that stochastic has once again entered the overbought zone. Like previously, it was entered the overbought zone here. The price line was rejected by the resistance of the channel. At the same time, it was also rejected by this long-term resistance of 40 cents, where it bounced from this uptrend line. That is not confirmed support because we have only two touch points here. But you can see that the price line did not hit the support of the channel. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic was entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I'm expecting that this time there can be a probability that we may have another bounce from this support, from this expected support, this uptrend line. Approximately at 31 cents, we can expect this bounce. However, if the price line will not find any support here, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 22.6 cents. But before that, we have this quite long-term support of 23.9 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, this 23.9 cents is breaking at a very strong support here, here, and here as well. By the way, here we had another bounce here on the 7-day time frame chart. You can see that we had a long spike at this support, but did not break it down, and still it can break at a strong support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, by the way, we will also need to break out this long-term resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that is moving at this long-term resistance of 40 cents, along with this long-term resistance. And this 40 cents has been previously breaking as support here, resistance here, and support here. And now again, it is flipped into a resistance after the breakout. Therefore, at the same time, we will need to break out 40 cents and this EMA 21 resistance levels together. And after the breakout from this channel, the technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 79 cents. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out another long-term resistance of 70 cents as well. That has been previously breaking other resistance here and resistance here. And the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this big and long-term down channel. After that, we had a nice rally. By the way, from this low to here, it was almost 228% pump, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And that target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $3.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.